How to sell a used quad bike. When it comes to selling a used quad bike, the best place to do this is on AgriMag. It is advised that as much information is given as possible about the item being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the quad bike and provide information related to its past working life. Additionally, detail its current working condition with reference to the engine and its components, the lights and all the electronics, the steering mechanisms, the shocks, the condition of the tires and tread, and finally, the general condition and structural integrity of the quad bike. Providing this information to a potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying choice and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on agrimag.coza. Visit agrimag.coza, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.